Safety interview question and answer. Question: what is safety? Safety is freedom from unacceptable risk of harm. Question: what is accident? Any unplanned event that results in injury or ill health of people, or damage or loss to property, plant, materials or the environment, or a loss of a business opportunity. Question: what is injury? Work-related events in which an injury or ill health, regardless of severity, or a fatality occurred or could have occurred. Question: what is hazard? A hazard is something, for example, an object, a property of a substance, a phenomenon or an activity, that can cause adverse effect, for example, water on staircase, loud noise, asbestos dust. Question: what is risk? Risk is the combination of the likelihood of a hazardous event occurring, and consequence of the event. Question: what is incident? Work-related events in which an injury or ill health, regardless of severity, or a fatality occurred or could have occurred. Question: what is safety policy? It is the company's commitment statement to social and legal obligation for providing a safe and healthy working environment to all employees. Question: what is safety audit? Is systematic, objective, critical evaluation of an organization's health and safety management system. Usually a lengthy process and may take few days. It can be walked through. It evaluates the unsafe condition noticeable to naked eye during work through the plant. Stores, civil work, erection work, intermediate, more detailed study and review of plant design and plant operation, comprehensive. It evaluates the safety factors in the plant on the base engineering, analysis, testing, and measurement. Question: what is safety program? Safety program can be defined as the methods by which accident can be prevented easily. Question: what is attitude? Attitude is the tendency to behave in a particular way in a certain situation. Question: what is work permit system? Formally delivered criteria for control risk reduction, when undertaking pre-planned work that is hazardous, either because of its location or the nature of the activity. Question: what is confined space? A confined space is a place which is substantially enclosed, though not always entirely, and where serious injury can occur from hazardous substances or conditions within the space or nearby, for example, lack of oxygen. Question: what is scaffolding? It is a temporary platform constructed for supporting both men and materials and working safely at a construction site. Question: what is low explosion limit, LEL? The minimum concentration of vapor, gases and dust in air below which propagation of flame does not occur on contact with a source of ignition is called LEL. Question: what is upper explosion limit, UEL? The maximum propagation of vapor, gases, and dust in air above which proposal the flame does not occur on contact with a source of ignition is called UEL. Question: what is JSA? A job safety analysis, JSA, is a procedure which helps to integrate accepted safety and health principles and practices into a particular task or job operation. In a JSA, each basic step of the job is to identify potential hazards and to recommend the safest way to do the job. Other terms used to describe this procedure are job hazard analysis, JHA, and job hazard breakdown, JHB. Question: what precautions are needed to avoid accident in manhandling? Stand at safe distance from the load. Sharp edge should be removed before lifting a material. PPE such as safety gloves and safety shoes should be used. If the weight is too heavy for one person to lift, then he has to seek the assistance. The pathway should not be blocked by obstacles while carrying the load. Avoid difficult actions, movements and forces while carrying the load. Modify the task by using hooks and crowbars. Mechanical equipments like cranes should be used. Modify the objects. Question: cause of accidents in mechanical handling? The sudden failure of wire rope or a chain. Slipping of the load from the sling, swinging of the load at the time of lifting. The load sometimes hits the man. Question: what are the accidents in poor housekeeping? Men getting hit by failing from overhead. Men slipping as greasy, wet or dirty floor. Men failing in open tank without cover in level floor. Accidents due to poor lighting. Fire accidents due to faulty electrical wires. Question: how to prevent accidents of power tools? The operators should wear face shields or safety glasses. Power tools should be placed in the storeroom after use. Power tools should have protected by guards. Pneumatic hoses or electric cables of power tools should not pass through passageways. The electrical power tools should be properly earthed. Never horseplay with hose of pneumatic tools. Power tools machines should be maintained and operated properly. Question: cause of accident in construction? Erection equipment failure. Falling of persons from height. Electrical shocks. Improper lighting. Non-stop working by worker. Unsafe work methods. Collapsing of earth during trench excavation. Failure of use safety equipment. Working a height without safety belt. Question: how many types inspection? There are 5 types inspection: continuous inspection, select employees, and operator. Periodical inspection, material storage, firefighting equipments, handling equipment S, intermittent inspection, UN announced inspection done by safety officer, safety committee. Particular work spot, statutory inspection, storage area, location at height, cranes, ropes, chains, it my tackles inspection. Special inspection, accident investigation inspection of new building, general lighting, use of PPEs etc. construction work. Question: what is accident investigation? Accident investigation means to carry out immediately the occurrence of accident to find out real facts to avoid the future accident. Question: how to report an accident? Date and time. Activity. What happened? Person involved. What went wrong? Causes. Corrective action suggested, signature. Safety officer. Safety in charge. Project manager. Question: give a brief note about safety policy. The safety and health of all employees is one of prime concern of the company. Every company will be requiring to the policy both in letter and in spirit. The company shall comply straightly with Act, laws, rules and regulations. The company shall impart training in health safety and occupational health to all employees. The company will adopt own safety and health standards where laws may not be available. Question: Human factors causing accidents. Carelessness. Fooling about it. Hurrying to increase production. Laziness in housekeeping. Hurrying in lunchtime. Lack of attention due to worry, alcohol and drugs. Lack of skill and experience. Not using PPE.